Hi guys, today I'm back with another resin mold. Now, when I ordered this, I thought these butterflies would be a lot bigger than they are. So I thought I might just use some UV resin today to fill these up and make little tiny studs for my girls. So I'm going to add a few glitters. One of them is going to be cotton candy. It is a pink glitter. So I've mixed it with some UV resin. And the other glitter I've used is just a Moonshine from Glitter Overload. It is just a silver holographic. Okay. Now I'm just going to grab my little UV lamp here. It's just a little portable one. I'm going to hit that probably 3 or 4 times. It's a 30-second timer thing, and then I will be back to show the finished product. Well, there you have it, guys, a finished product. Now, I made some blue ones too because I had some leftover resin, so I've just added some little tiny earring backs to them. And I think they've turned out really nice as a little stud for the girls. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time with some more resin mold testing. Bye.